Hey guys, what's up? It's Bando Lonnie here. There's gonna be a kind of a quick video. Something I didn't really think I would release, but I figured it'd be kind of interesting. So, anyways, we were walking up to this building here, which is actually in Royal Oak, a really nice area of Michigan, and just want to see what the deal was inside. And little did we know we were gonna run into like literally a group of scrappers. Like this garage door right here that we're looking at, they literally pulled their car into the building and we're posted in there. But anyways, I'll let you all see how it kind of plays out. I barely got the car on camera because I really wasn't trying to like film them directly. But yeah, y'all see.
I think it's just so light, but I can't really see us while we're under it. I left my flashlight in the car, I think.
I think we both did.
I mean, I'm down to climb through there. The floor is right there. This is kind of cool. Real life Stillwater. There's people in here.
I told you I heard people in there earlier. When I stuck our head through, I was like, there's
Dude,
people
we
in
were on that side. I heard a big bang too, but nobody's seen
there.
one. Am I recording?
Yeah. They're talking. Should we go see what they are? Yo. Should we do? Taking pictures. Taking pictures. Can we take pictures here? Yo, can we take pictures here? Oh, we just taking pictures, man. Yeah, we ain't bothering you. Nah, you chilling, bruh. I don't know. Neither can I. I don't know if they're workers or if they're scrappers, but they sound ghetto. The motherfuckers sound ghetto, so I'm guessing they're scrappers.
That's what I was thinking. The way they don't give a fuck how
I'm pretty sure they were like, we getting money.
This is weird.
Oh, my bad, bro. Yeah. Mission. So we started to walk back to the little locker looking room thing, and I started hearing footsteps, and I saw in the reflection that one of them was literally standing right where that soap dispenser was, like posted around the corner. Yo, what's the deal, man? Hey, we chilling. We just taking pictures, bro. Yeah, we not no feds or nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, we saw y'all come in. We was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I was kind of scared y'all were
Yeah,
trying
yeah,
to
we
do videos.
Yeah, we was trying
Yeah,
to whistle
bro.
to y'all, make sure y'all like knew we wasn't. We wasn't.
We started doing videos.
Yeah,
we was taking
man.
pictures and shit for real.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Fucking with them. Taking shit.
No, yeah, no problem, man. You chilling with us. At this point, I was kind of like confused because like the way they were posted around the door, I really didn't like it. Like, dude thought I couldn't see him in the mirror, and they were really trying to like sneak up on us type shit. So I kind of just wanted to get a little bit more of them scrapping on video and then dip the fuck out. That shit is... This room's moldy as fuck. So I wish I had a better camera because right here is the only part you can see your car. When I pan up, it's that gray thing in the back there, and he has a headlamp on, which is that light above it. But yeah, they had their whole Kia pulled inside this place, and they were just loading that boy up, had the door closed, everything, and they was about to pull out and dip. But yeah, that was this little video. I hope y'all enjoy, and see y'all.